I am going to talk about real words and pedagogical tasks. This is one of the most challenging tasks that many teachers face in everyday activities in class. As teachers, we need to know how to track the student interest and how to stimulate their imagination so they can learn English. We always search for meaningful material, which often can be used to supplement the textbook for a course. This is a critical planning to be done by teachers. We are provided with some material and textbooks at the beginning of each semester. But are that material from authentic sources? Does it reflect the real-world language? All the material text-based involving the learners in the practical use of the language? In relation to this point, some examples of classroom activities in which students can use authentic task-based material to enhance their language learning are presented. Some teachers at different schools may find themselves teaching with locally designed material. Some materials are often produced in-house and provide classroom teachers with day-by-day lesson plans. According to this situation, teachers need to adapt a particular text or lesson with material that he or she thinks is more useful for promoting learning. Many teachers often adapt or create different activities involving authentic material or media. Once teachers start to use authentic materials and observe the impact the real-world context has on students, they will try to find the ways to incorporate them more often into the lesson plans. According to Jeff Hart, 1996, there are unlimited sources for teaching materials. Teachers can access authentic material from cable TV, English language, newspapers, and magazines, and even from popular music. For many teachers that live or work in places where internet may be so difficult to access, they had to be more creative to teach in a meaningful way. In some cities, modern groceries and department stores carrying imported products in the tourism industry such hotels can offer useful authentic resources. Or even during a travel, teacher could pick up useful material that could be adapted for the English lessons. Noonan, 1999, defined authentic materials as spoken or written language data that can be produced in the course of authentic communication, and not specifically written for purposes of language teaching. In fact, in his teaching, he encouraged his students to bring into the classroom their own sample of authentic language data from real-world context outside of the classroom. They practice listening to and reading in real language drawn from different sources, including TV and radio broadcasts, tape conversation, meeting, talk, and announcement. They also read stories, author brochures, airport notice, bank instruction, advertising, and a wide range of other written messages from the real world in situations as they occur. Yehar, 1996, gives more examples of authentic material. For example, number 1, authentic listening, viewing material, TV commercial, quiz show, cartoon, clips, comedy show, stories, songs. Number 2, authentic visual material, slides, picture, painting, artwork, street sign, postcards, stamps. And number 3, authentic printed materials, newspaper, article, movie ads, sport report, advice column, lyric to song, restaurant menus, real boxes, tourist information, and comic books. And number 4, realia, real world objects, coins and currency, folder, paper, wall cloth, font, doll, and puppets. According to Britton, 1991, authentic material and media can reinforce for students the relationship between the language classroom and the outside world. Behar, 1996, sees authentic material as a way to contextualize language learning. In addition, Melvin Storr, 1987, finds an overall increased motivation to learn in students as well as renewed interest in the subject matter. Okay, thank you for watching me. I hope they can be so useful. Thank you.